Today I got a MacBook Air. It was water damaged. Somebody spilled water on the keyboard. It turned off completely, cannot wake up. I saved it by drying it and also dehumidified it. I put it next to the dehumidifier for a very, very long time. And finally it wakes up. That's the magical moment. I almost gave up and I keep trying, didn't wake up. And I waited for a very, very long time. 1 or 2 months later, it finally wakes up. So it works, but now we got one problem. I think the water did some damage of the battery. So this Mac just shuts off randomly and shows a battery service icon. So today I'm going to replace the battery. I ordered a battery on Amazon. It came yesterday. So here's a battery pack. It comes with a keyboard protector. I'm not going to use that. And here's the battery. I'm going to replace the black thing here. The battery comes with it, so I'm going to replace these. Over the time it did fail completely, so I'll replace this later. But our main task today is to replace the battery. Okay, so we put battery in the pack. Also got my tool. So I have everything I need here. So the first thing is to unscrew all the screwdrivers. Let's check the model. Model a1466. So this is the model. What I need is go to ifix.com and then find the instruction of how to unscrew everything and replace the battery. So I'll do MacBook Air check 1466 battery replacement. I fix it. Okay, here we go. So this is iFixit website, and I'm going to do step by step based on the website. Okay, so first to unscrew. Okay, so what I need is 2 9mm screws. These are the screws on top. one is too big. Maybe T3. Okay, it's not T3. T1 is too small. I think T2 is for this. T2? No. Wait a second. Need to find the right screw. Okay, it's this one. Okay. Top two. Also works for this. To just okay, done. Open it up. Okay, this comes off. Okay. Okay. grab the plastic, plug this. This is the power source. So everything is shut off. Make sure there's no power. Need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. These are different. So this comes here. T5. Let me see. Okay, T5 is here. T5. Okay. Okay. Screws off. Lift the battery. Okay. This comes off completely. Well, there are dirts. You can see this is a water damage sign. Right, the green thing, I think it's coming from the battery. So let's put the battery aside. Let's check. Is there anything that is visibly wrong? Nothing. Okay. Then grab the new battery. Here. Okay. Align the screws. Okay. Start to put it back. I like to just not fully tighten them, but make sure they all put in place. Okay, now start to tighten them. Don't need it to be super tight. Just give it a little bit twist. Should be fine. Okay. All right. Connect the power. Connect it. Okay. So we're done. Before we close it off, I like to turn it on just to make sure it works. Well, I can see the fan is turning, so let's check. Well, it definitely turns on, right? It has 70% power. Good. Shut it down. Shut it down, and then we can close the lid off. Before we close it, just want to make a visual check if there's anything that I should clean. I think most of these are fine, nothing visually wrong. Okay, let's close it off. I just want to make sure when I replace the black thing, I don't need to take this lid off again. Looks like so. So this is a black. These two are the place that you put the black thing. Should be fine. Okay. So close it off. You can see this is a very simple task. Unscrew a few screwdrivers, connect the power, disconnect the power, and then that's it. Super easy DIY task. As long as you have the right tool, you can do it in no time. To make sure, tighten the corner first. Make sure everything lines up. The good thing about this replacement kit is that it comes with everything you need. Yeah, I have this screwdriver set because I do a lot of repairment, so I bought it. But if you don't, look, it comes with the screwdriver that you need. Because it's a Mac, it uses a special screwdriver. So if you don't have the right screwdriver, there's no way to unscrew these. But the good thing is the kit comes with everything you need. Okay, now everything great. So now I want to replace these. Just grab these things. This one is completely gone, so I think I just need to, well, the sticky thing didn't come off. That's a problem. So let me check if I can make it come off. Okay, here you go. Sticky thing comes off. Give it a press. Oh, don't think it works. Doesn't work. Oh, I think it actually has different positions. Okay, that's an interesting observation. Well, these two, this one has, okay, that's interesting. So these are different because there are little dots here, and the space of these little dots are different. So I think I'm supposed to line these perfectly aligned. Let's see if this works. Oh, this is harder than the battery. For sure. How do I install it? Well, this doesn't work. Doesn't fit. Well, you know what? It's not that important. Let me see if I can install this one, yeah? Okay, this one fits. Oh, these two are good, so I'm not going to replace it. So this one fits, which is good. Just need to fit this one, yeah? Let's try another one. They're all made. They all look the same to me, but apparently there are slight difference between them. So this work. No, this thing doesn't work. Well, let's try the last one. See if it works. What's wrong with this? Doesn't fit. It just doesn't fit in. It's very, very interesting. It doesn't fit in. Cannot make it fit. Doesn't work. This one. Does it work? A little bit. No, I don't think it works. It will fall off very soon, I think. Try one last time. Well, okay. Put on the table. See if it's balanced. Oh, here we go. We finished replacing the black dots. Actually longer than the replacement of the battery, I think. As you can see, it's a very simple task. Anybody can do it. The package comes with everything you need. Now the service icon is gone. Let's check. Let's check the battery to make sure it's new. So system report. Go to the power part. Cycle count 1. Perfectly new battery. As you can see, perfect. So this is what we like to see. You know, battery has a life, so you know, after a few hundred or a few thousand cycle count, your battery will be dead. You need to replace the battery. Any new battery, the cycle count should be 1. So this is exactly what I see. So I'm happy. Okay. If you like to see more such videos, please subscribe to the channel. And I do repair a lot of iPhones, Mac, iPads. Stay tuned. See you next time.